Hey everybody, Brandon back here with another YouTube video with our Ask App series. Today we're looking at the DriveLux DX1M intro kit. If you've gotten one of these kits, congratulations. What comes in it is a fully assembled top-level assembly, which has a module, a holder, a lens, and a heatsink. But with that, you also get two more modules of the different LES sizes, two more beam angles, and two more holders, so you can assemble three complete kits and just change them in and out on the heatsink really easily. And once you get that kit, it's plug and play. It's super easy. Take the power cord, put it into your outlet. Go ahead and make sure that you have the correct dimmer setting here. We're going to put it to the 0 to 10 volts. What we're going to do now is take the black connector. That's our power cord. We're going to clip that in, and we're going to find the white one somewhere. We're going to find the white control cable here with the 0 to 10. And we're going to get that hooked up into the module, and literally we are ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to find the right switch. I'm going to turn it on. Here we have it at the low dimming setting. We can go ahead and take the slider and slide it all the way up to full brightness, and it literally is just that easy to have your light up and running. From here we can turn it off and on, no problem, and just it's pretty smart, pretty easy, and it looks great when it's actually on a product. And don't forget, go to our website, DriveLux.com, go to the drop-down menu, find the DriveLux modules, scroll down, see the features and benefits, take a look at the different specs that are out there, find the different LES sizes, 8, 10, 13, click on the Acrobat icon, download the data sheet so you can get all the mechanical specs, all the different electrical specs, light specs, and everything that you need on our website, www.bridgelux.com, and stay tuned for more Ask Apps in the future.